Yeah, hi, a little bit earthquake watch and stuff. Southern Germany, close to the Kaiserstuhl volcano. And I started to look this region up because I noticed this gray area here, which was somehow intriguing. There wasn't any other gray areas anywhere else. And we had an earthquake here yesterday, Rottweil. So I went to check out a little bit the region on Google Earth. Let's get the location for the quake quickly. So the quake was somewhere in this region. So it could be that it was just some kind of mining operation. But there is a bigger mining operation to the north. And if we put out all the stuff here, I wanted to show you some features of the landscape. Just that you get it, that these are valleys. And usually those brown spots, they are mountains or hills. And there are really nice dendritical patterns here. They're not that well visible anymore because people were cutting off the forests and stuff. And if we put like all the things on, for example, here, that's Witch's Kitchen called this place. And we aren't far from volcanic activity, neither. Usually, these kind of places which refer to witches or dragons. There's some kind of bridge. Which is broken, you can't use it at the moment, but why has to be there a bridge in the first place? I guess it is really steep. There are these kind of valleys, really steep valleys. Now let's see if I can zoom in. And is there any dragon related thing here on that picture? The first thing which just now popped up. Yeah, maybe there on the flag there could be something. And I wanted to show you as well that we are in southern Germany. Here did the earthquake happen. Here is the volcano. And English. BGR. Whatever it means. In its coalition agreement in 2009, the federal government planned to commission the Geothermal Atlas to examine the competition between CO2 storage in deep geothermal energy in the context of the joint project Geothermal Atlas carried out by Leibniz Institute for Applied Geophysics. Together with the BGR, the basis of the implementation of this decision was developed. In the project, the results of the project GeoIS and Speicherkataster Deutschland of the federal states were merged and supplemented with additional information, e.g. B expand via regional disturbance systems. And the quake was somewhere here, which might indicate that we have elevated geothermal activity, which indicates volcanic activity. And you really have to keep in mind that this is a border, that's Switzerland. It goes, where does it go? It goes here. This is Austria. Austria. Switzerland. And now let's put those away. I don't want to get into politics. You just really have to keep in mind that these are expanding. Let's use some other colors. And also that, because it's just not on the map, because it's a different country. Standing on the same ground, but obviously some other people think it's not that important. Actually, I should use yellow here on the outside a bit more. So now I was a little bit artistic in the meanwhile. Here on the right we have Baden. This here. I ran out of colors. White, yeah, I never used white. Baden, which is the hottest and most mineral-rich thermal spring in Europe, besides some Hungarian. And then on the other side, this one, Kaiserstuhl Vulcano, which is a volcano after all. And we have a huge region with elevated geothermal activity and all these kind of things, earthquakes. Everything is related, at least underground. Whatever border they're put up on top of it, nature doesn't care about those. Yeah, I leave it here. Thanks.